Hey guys, what's up? It's Billyvisuals, and this is the first impressions video of the Wavy Ultraboost Consortium AKOG by Adidas, also known as a kind of guise collab. This shoe launched about a month ago at the end of July, but the worldwide release at Consortium boutiques was last Saturday on August 25th. Now, this isn't the most limited Consortium boutique release ever, but in my opinion, I think it is the most unique looking Consortium Ultraboost ever released. The pattern on it, the materials, just the overall look of this shoe is just absolutely incredible, including the box. Even though it's such a simple box, it really goes with both brands in terms of its minimal coziness and relaxed feeling. Now, this is an uncaged version of the Ultraboost, but with the twist of having a wraparound lacing that has never been seen before on men's Ultraboost, but has been shown on several designed Stella McCartney Ultraboost for women. I've personally never heard of AKOG until this collaboration, and I think from the details of the shoe and what I've read online, that this company and this brand has got quite a bit of humorous creativity in them. What I mean is, from what I can read on their motif on their shoe, you can see that it says, "No worries, we've done this before." It's a funny anticipation on what are you doing, and as well as it gives this relaxed feeling of, don't worry about it, it's already been handled. The overall feeling of the shoe and its branding, it just seems so relaxed, funny, and chilled out. So if you go on their website, I think it's akog.com, I'm not sure, I'll just leave the link here. You can check out their lookbook, their creativity in their clothing, and I think it's always interesting to explore brands that I've never heard of, especially when Adidas is collaborating with them. So definitely check them out if you guys are interested. The overall vibe of the shoe also gives this cozy and relaxed feeling, because this shoe was actually inspired by coastal vibes or coastal beaches, and you can see right away that this shoe has a nice tan color on it, which of course represents the nice warm beaches. And then there's the yellow and the reddish in the outsole. I know a lot of people were turned off by the yellow and the red, but to be honest, I think it really goes with the sunny vibes. This shoe is more of like a summer vibe, chilling on the beach side kind of shoe with an aesthetic like that. Besides that, I think that it's kind of weird that this is the third damn shoe this year that I was interested in that had something to do with sand. The other shoe that I did was Desert Rat, and then the shoe before that was the Kith Response Trails. So I don't really know what me and tan colored and sand aesthetics have anything to do with the shoes that I buy, but there we go. Anyways, so that's basically it for my impressions of this shoe, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I haven't made a video in a very long time, and I want to do it right by you guys. So this is just an impressions video of what I can grasp from just opening this box. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be giving a in-depth review and detailed look of this shoe next week, so hang on tight. I'll be definitely pumping out more higher quality videos like this one. Anyways, this has been Billyvisuals. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Cheers.